Dears, now let us see, let us do a regression with the same data. We know regression, we used to do regression to see how much relationship or to find the relationship between dependent variable and independent variable. So we are going to do the regression with the same data available with me. So for regression, we know in the scale, socio-emotional competence scale, we have the dependent variable socio-emotional competence. Socio-emotional competence as the dependent variable, and here we have many other factors like gender, age, nature of employment, and experience. These can be taken as independent variable. Okay, so let us do the regression now. For it, at first let us see individual regression. The way to do it is analyze, then go through regression, and then click on linear. Here in the dependent variable, you have to select the score, that is the total score. The score actually indicates the socio-emotional competence of the teachers. And here in the independent variable, we have to take the age. Okay, shift and select, shift down arrow, age, nature of employment, years of experience. Let us select these three. Okay, so at first let us select one by one and see how much it affects the dependent variable, how much the independent variable affects the dependent variable. So at first, by clicking on nature of employment as the independent variable, then you just click on, for running individual regression, just click on OK. Then we will get a table like this. There you have to just look on the adjusted R square value itself. Here the adjusted R square value, you can see it is negative 0.01. Actually, the adjusted R square value gives you how much percentage it indicates. So this is a negative value, so it is not a predictor. Means it never explains the socio-emotional competence. Okay, nature of employment never explains. It is not able to explain the dependent variable. So let us go again and do the regression once again using some other aspects like um, years of experience. Let us see what with years of experience. So for that, just unselect nature of employment and just select years of experience. Okay, again run. Okay, so you have another table here with you. Here you can see the adjusted R square. In the table, you see dependent variable is the score. Okay, and the predictor here is the years of experience. So while running the regression analysis, we get a table like this. In the model summary, you just look on to adjusted R square value. Just multiply the adjusted R square value with 100 so that you can get a percentage. So here 0.173 into 100, it means 17.3%. So years of experience in the data selected with me, okay, in the data available with me, only 17.3 percentage of years of experience is able to explain socio-emotional competence. Okay, so that's also not much good than the previous analysis. Now let us do a multiple regression now. The same way, regression, linear, click on linear itself. Now here you have to select the more independent variables. For example, we are going to select gender, then age. Again, I'm going to select age as independent variable. Then nature of employment into the independent variable. Years of experience already has been selected. Okay, so this much has been selected. Now we are going to run a multiple regression. For it, you have to select in the method, you select stepwise. Okay, to get more robust data analysis, you have to select stepwise, and also in the statistics, you just select R squared change. Then click on continue and press OK. Now you will get a table like this. Okay, you see the table. Let us see the table at first. Here it is a table. The table is only given with years of experience. You see, we have already selected 4 variables, but those variables are not seen here in the output window. Only years of experience is being seen. Okay, it means that rest all the variables is not able to explain the dependent variable. So here years of experience is only able to define, and that too how much percentage it is able to explain the dependent variable, only 17.3%. Okay, so since the sample data available with me is very low, maybe by that reason it appears like that. So only after running the multiple regression also we can see that only years of experience, and that too 17.3% of years of experience is able to me not to explain social emotional competence. Okay, that's all. എനിക്ക് പഠിക്കാൻ കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാൻ അത് മറക്കുവേ. അയ്യോ ഇനി സാറ് വന്നുവോ? എന്റെ കുഞ്ഞോ ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ് പഠിക്കുക, മനസ്സിലായോ? കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതൊന്നും ആരും പറഞ്ഞു തരില്ല. ഇത് കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അമ്മ തനിയെ ചെയ്യണേ, അപ്പൊ അമ്മ മറന്നു പോയില്ലേ? ബുക്ക് ഉണ്ടായിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല. വീഡിയോ കാണുമ്പോൾ അമ്മയ്ക്ക് നല്ല ഓർമ്മ വരും. അപ്പൊ അമ്മ ഇത് ചെയ്യണം ഈ സാധനത്തിൽ ചെയ്യണ്ടേ, അപ്പൊ അമ്മ മറന്നു പോയില്ലേ? നേരെ തിരിച്ച് ഈ വീഡിയോ കണ്ടു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ അമ്മയ്ക്ക് നല്ല ഓർമ്മ ഉണ്ടാവും എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യാൻ. അങ്ങനെ റിഗ്രഷൻ ചെയ്യും. ഡാറ്റ നല്ലതല്ല, അതാണ് ഇപ്പൊ ഒരു പ്രശ്നം. നല്ല ഡാറ്റ ആണെങ്കിൽ നന്നായിട്ട് ആ കാര്യം